Do you say I am having a car? Not correct. We don't use have in continuous form. The correct one is I have a car. I have a bike. I have two brothers. Learn English every day with LELTA. Do you say cousin brother or cousin sister? In English, we just say cousin. She is my cousin. He is my cousin. Speak naturally with LELTA. Do you say I am getting late? Better English is I'm running late. I'm running late for work. I'm running late for class. Improve your English with LELTA. Do you say discuss about? That's wrong. Discuss already includes about. The correct one is let's discuss this. Let's discuss the plan. We discussed the problem. Speak smart English with LELTA. Stop saying I am agree. Many students make this mistake. In English, we never say I am agree. Agree is not an adjective. It's a verb. So the correct sentence is I agree, not I am agree. I agree with you. I agree completely. Yes, I agree. Practice every day. This is LELTA. Learn English the smart way. Do you say he cut his hair? That's not correct. In English, we say he got a haircut. We don't cut our own hair. A barber does it. I got a haircut yesterday. She got a new haircut. Improve your English every day. This is LELTA. Learn English the smart way. Many students say, I have a doubt. That's not natural English. In English, we say, I have a question. Doubt is not used like in Sinhala. I have a question, teacher. Can I ask a question? I have two questions. Practice daily. This is LELTA. Learn English the smart way. Stop saying more better. It's incorrect. Better already means more good. So just say, this is better. This phone is better. My English is better now. Keep improving with LELTA. Do you say pass out the papers? Pass out means faint. The correct one is hand out the papers. Please hand out the books. The teacher handed out worksheets. Learn real English with LELTA. Do you say, I am boring? I am boring means you make others bored. The correct one is, I am bored. I'm bored at home. I was bored in the meeting. Improve your English with LELTA. Do you say put the light? In English, we say turn on the light. The opposite is turn off the light. So, turn on the fan. Turn off the TV. Learn smart English with LELTA. Do you say return back? That's wrong. Return already means come back. So just say I will return. I will return soon. Please return the book. Keep learning with LELTA every day. Do you say, let's keep a meeting? That's not correct. In English, we say, let's have a meeting or let's hold a meeting. So, we will have a meeting tomorrow. They held a meeting last week. Learn natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say, I didn't knew? That's wrong. With didn't, we always use the base verb. So the correct sentence is, I didn't know. I didn't know that. I didn't know the answer. I didn't know you were here. Learn smart English with LELTA every day. Do you say ask from me? That's not correct English. In English, we don't say ask from me. We simply say ask me. Ask me if you need help. You can ask me any question. Ask me later. Speak natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say me? That's not correct. In English, we don't say me. We say tell me. Tell me the truth. Tell me your name. Tell me what happened. Learn natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say I am good for cooking? That's not correct. In English, we say I am good at cooking. Use good at, not good for. She is good at English. They are good at sports. He is good at science. Speak natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say, I'm going to home? That's not correct. In English, we don't say to home. We say, I'm going home. I'm going home now. She went home early. They will go home soon. Learn natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say drink medicine? That's not correct. In English, we don't say drink medicine. We say take medicine. She took her medicine on time. Please take this medicine after food. I need to take my medicine. Learn English the smart way with LELTA. Do you say leave from home? That's not correct. In English, we don't need from. The correct sentence is leave home. I leave home at 7 a.m. She left home early today. They will leave home soon. Learn natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say watch the TV? Be careful. We usually say watch TV without the. I like to watch TV. They watched TV last night. Learn natural English with LELTA. Do you say every boys? That's not correct. After every, we use singular nouns. So the correct one is every boy. Learn natural English with LELTA. Do you say a water? Incorrect. Water is uncountable. Say a bottle of water or a glass of water. Can I have a bottle of water? She drank a glass of water. Learn smart English with LELTA. Do you say today night? That's not correct. In English, we never say today night. The correct phrase is tonight. I will call you tonight. Let's meet tonight. She is studying tonight. Speak natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say last evening? That's not natural. In English, we say yesterday evening or last night. I met him yesterday evening. We talked last night. Speak natural English with LELTA. Do you say in Monday morning? That's wrong. In English, we say on Monday morning. Use on, not in. I have a meeting on Monday morning. We will start on Monday morning. Speak correct English with LELTA. Do you say I need to pee? It's too informal. A polite way to say it is I need to use the washroom or I need to use the bathroom. Excuse me, I need to use the washroom. Is there a bathroom here? Speak politely with LELTA. Do you say you should come when inviting? Sounds forceful. A friendly, natural way is, you can come if you like. You're welcome to come. Feel free to join us. You're welcome to come tonight. Feel free to join us. Learn natural English with LELTA. Do you say today morning? That's not correct. In English, we say this morning. I woke up early this morning. She called me this morning. Learn natural English with LELTA. Do you say red color car? That's not natural. In English, we don't say color after the color name. The correct one is a red car. I bought a red car. She likes the red dress. They saw a red house. Speak natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say, I'm liking to work with you? That's not correct. We don't use like in the continuous form for this meaning. The natural way to say it is, I'm willing to work with you. I'm willing to help you. She's willing to join the team. They're willing to support us. Learn natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say, repeat it again? That's not correct. Repeat already means do it again. So don't say again. The correct one is repeat it. Could you repeat it? Please repeat the question. Speak natural English with LELTA. Do you say I look a film? That's not correct. In English, we don't look a film. The correct sentence is, I watch a film. I watched a film yesterday. Let's watch a movie tonight. They are watching a film now. Speak natural English with LELTA every day. Do you say I go to online? That's not correct. In English, we don't say go to online. We say go online without to. I go online every evening. She is online now. They went online to study. Learn natural English with LELTA every day.